update all apps on Android. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. So first open your Play Store, then go to your profile icon, tap on settings, go to general, scroll down and go to network preferences. Then tap on auto update apps. Then select update over Wi-Fi only and you will be done. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any question, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.